Posting. This is just a small little basket and it has a flower decoration on it. This would be really easy to put a sentiment stamped on here or even wrap a piece of ribbon around it, make it real decorative. And real quick, I'm going to show you how you put this together. It takes just a little bit of paper and I'm using tear and tape for all of the adhesive. I feel like tear and tape holds up best on these 3D projects because it bonds instantly. You just need a pair of scissors and something to cut and score. You will need a piece of green paper. This is cut to 2 3/4 square. Another little piece of green paper. This is a half an inch by 4 inches. And then I took some pink paper and I cut 4 of the big flower shape. This is the tulip punch that's in the new catalog. So the first thing you do once you have your paper, take your big green square and we're going to score it at 3/4 all the way around. So all 4 sides, line it up at 3/4 and score. And you go all the way around and do all 4 sides. Okay, so your next step is to take your scissors and you're going to make 4 cuts. And basically what you're doing is on opposite ends, you are cutting the large section. So the cuts, when it's cut, it's like this. So you have 4 cuts. Once you've made your cuts, go ahead and fold on all of your score lines and you can see the base of the basket coming together. Okay? Nice little shallow basket. Once you have that going, get a couple pieces of tear and tape and we are going to secure the 2 ends of our basket. I get one. I get a piece of tear and tape. I tend to eyeball my tear and tape and I am constantly cutting them or tearing them off too big. But that's okay. Tear and tape is very forgiving. Okay, so see, like I said about the tear and tape, I don't have to wait for it to dry. It is ready to go. The next thing I have is I'm going to take my thin 1/2 inch by 4 inch piece of green and kind of curl it just a tad with my fingers. This is going to make the handle of the basket. So I'm going to get 2 little baby pieces of tear and tape. Remember, this is only 1/2 inch wide, so it's not going to take a whole lot. Get one end. And get the other. I am putting the tear and tape where the handle will sit inside the basket. You can totally do this the opposite way and set the handle outside the basket if that is what you prefer. I'm putting the handle down, I don't know if you can see that, inside the box, maybe about halfway. And doing the same on the other side. Once again, tear and tape bonds instantly and I don't have to worry about it. It's ready to go. So now I have my little basket. And you could decorate this however you want. I've chosen to make it sort of a springy, almost Easter kind of theme and use the tulip shape. So I'm just going to get some tear and tape, or you can use regular glue for this since it's not really a 3D component. It wouldn't need, but since this is what I have out and what I've been working with, this is what I'm going to use. So I'm cutting off 4 pieces of the tear and tape, and I'm going to go around the outside of my basket with all 4 strips, and I'm going to do this in the middle of each outside piece, and toward the bottom is where I'm placing my tear and tape. And then I just gotta peel off the flower. I'm lining up flush to the bottom. See, this would be a quick and easy little project if you're stuck somewhere with children. I mean, except maybe for the scissors cutting the 4 strips, they could totally do this whole thing. It's real quick and easy. You said you don't have to decorate it with the flowers. That's just the way I went. But yeah, you can take off from there, put some pretty ribbon around it, a nice little tag, put some Hershey Kisses in there. Cute little gift, cute little project. So this is quarantine project number 1 with our little spring flower basket. So I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow Sunday. The plan is to show you some paper that is available only through the end of March. It was an add-on product, and it actually coordinates with the umbrella punch and with the tulip punch and with a couple of other products. So I wanted to show you that paper. Like I said, the faster we can get orders in, the more likely we are to be able to get what we want to order. As we approach the end of Celebration, things are going to start to sell out, and they will sell out quickly, and we won't be able to order them. So if you need to know what is not available, please reference the video from yesterday, and I will see you later. Bye, everybody.